When it comes to rolling out the coronavirus vaccine, Premier Doug Ford says he found someone with military precision in General Rick Hillier, who has been tapped to lead the province's vaccine distribution task force.
But there's no one better in the country than General Hillier to make sure this distribution happens. It's going to be a massive challenge. I have 100% confidence.
The general hails from Newfoundland and Labrador and previously served as the Chief of Defense for the Canadian Armed Forces and was a commander during the war in Afghanistan. Health Minister Christine Elliott says while the Ford government has already begun discussions on rolling out the vaccine, General Hillier will help them with the finer details.
First, we have to identify who will receive the first tranches. I would expect it would be our most vulnerable people in long-term care homes, as well as our frontline healthcare staff.
Pharmaceutical company Pfizer submitted their request for emergency approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration on Friday. They, along with Moderna, have already begun mass production, so distribution occurs as soon as approval is given. Now, despite that, Minister Elliott says the general public may not get their arms on the vaccine until the spring.
We have the immunizations that are going to be happening from when we receive them to March. Then that's within the first tranche of the Pfizer Moderna. Then there will be a second tranche from March till about July, which will include those two as well as perhaps the AstraZeneca.
The past 3 weeks have begun with encouraging vaccine news. However, the World Health Organization is reminding people that a COVID-19 vaccine isn't a silver bullet.
I think vaccines is going to give us a huge chance. But if we add vaccines and forget the other things, COVID does not go to zero.
Minister Elliott added that the province is still awaiting information on when Ontario will get its shipment of vaccines once they are approved by Health Canada.